Now, we all know Touch'nGo RFID has been around for quite a while now. The first pilot program was started in 2018, and since then, I've even changed my car. In early 2020, they finally launched it to the general public, and then in May of the same year, they launched this, the Touch'nGo RFID Self-Fitment Kit. Now, this is available on Touch'nGo's official stores on Lazada and Shopee for 35 ringgit. Of course, you can still do it the old-fashioned way and schedule appointments throughout the various Touch'nGo fitment centers, but I'm telling you, this is a much easier, much faster option. Just do it yourself. So let's get straight to it. On the card itself, there is a QR code for you to scan for a very simple installation guide video. But if you just open the card itself, all the steps are detailed here just as well. There are two places where you can install the RFID kit, which is on the top left of your windscreen or on your left front headlamp. Now, these locations are set because the readers will be placed somewhere on the left side of the car. So if you go ahead and install it on the right headlamp, yeah, those barriers are not going to open for you. Let's start with the windscreen first. Now, if you choose to install it on the windscreen, there's a few things for you to know first. Number one, it cannot be placed within the path of your windscreen wipers, because if you place it too far down, then the wiper is going to go over it every now and then. It might come off. That's not going to be good for anybody. Number two, it has to be placed quite far away from any metal parts. Touch'nGo says it has to be placed about 5 centimeters away from all metal panels, so that makes it, yeah, somewhere around here. 5 cm from this metal, 5 cm from this part over here. Now, there are some confusions about this placement. A lot of people think if you have window tints, you can't apply it on the windscreen, but that is not exactly true. That was true for the previous RFID kit that was installed inside the windscreen, but since this is installed outside, that should be fine. But having said that, a few particular window tints with a lot of metal content in it might still affect the signal. So overall, you're much better off applying it on your front headlamp. Personally, for me, I don't want to see this small little sticker within my field of view while driving, so it's always going to be on the front left headlamp for me. The same rules apply for headlamp installation as well, so you can't put it too close to any metal part. So anywhere too close to the bonnet line, that's a no-go. So likely you have to put it somewhere right in the middle, like here. So now I'm going to go ahead and stick it right onto my car headlamp. Wipe away any dust or water on the screen, and then carefully peel away the RFID tag sticker. And then as straight as you can, just stick it on. As simple as that. There you go. It cannot be any simpler, really. This RFID tag sticker is designed to break as soon as you peel it off. Now, this is to avoid people, well, stealing your sticker, putting it on their car, and then you'll be paying for all their toll usage. It doesn't work that way. It's precisely because of this reason that you're not supposed to put it on a headlamp that has a protective film on, because if you have this extra layer on, there is a risk of people carving it out and then leaving the sticker intact for them to use on their own cars. With that out of the way, all you have to do is activate your RFID tag. You can do this in two ways. Either log on to the Touch'nGo Mobility Experience website at mx.touchandgo.com.my, or just go on to the Touch'nGo e-wallet app on your smartphone. Either way, it's a very simple process. Just key in a few details: your car's make and model, registration number, and of course the RFID tag number that's printed on this card itself. And then you're good to go. You'll be given a notification on your phone saying that your Touch'nGo RFID has been successfully activated within 24 hours. And that's it. You'll be ready to use Touch'nGo RFID in no time. Now, I know for now we can only use it for tolls, and that's not the most exciting thing to do, of course, but Touch'nGo has a lot of exciting new features planned for RFID. You'll soon be able to use RFID to pay for fuel, for food drive-thrus, and even parking lots. Now, that's an exciting feature we can all look forward to. So there you go, the Touch'nGo RFID Self-Fitment Kit. What do you think of this? Do you think it's easy enough, or is it too much of hassle for you to do it yourself? Let us know in the comment section below. For now, thank you for watching and stay safe, everyone.